Hello guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. In this video, I am sharing a wide variety of hand embroidery designs, ranging from hand embroidery designs along with mirror work, beads work, sequence work, and ranging to different stylized patterns like necklace style embroidery patterns, thick 3D hand embroidery design ideas, beautiful, easy, stylish, and creative modern hand embroidery patterns for dresses, for formal dresses, like for silk fabric or any type of fabric that make the dress formal. And the scope and creativity is not only limited to this. You can also design these very beautiful patterns with the help of not only hand embroidery, handwork, or hand art. You can also use these very beautiful patterns of embroidery for machine embroidery as well. So different stylized patterns ranging from a V-neck, bot neck to slit-waist necklines are being shared along with different range of colors. You can use these for everyday wear, for school, college, office going, or even for any type of formal gathering or party wears also. The beauty and creativity of these designs make them more attractive because all of these designs are made using 1 to 2 hand embroidery stitches. And with the help of 1 to 2 hand embroidery stitches, you can design the whole embroidery pattern, which make them more unique, beautiful, and eye-catchy. Guys, if you are watching my video for the very first time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends and family. And press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. Do leave comments in the comment section that what you want us to share with you in our new and more upcoming videos. Because your comments are the only way through which we interact with you, or we get to know about your choices of interests. Uh, this was all today. Thank you so much for watching. Eastern style, Western style shirts could also be designed by following these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery, as you could see onto your screens. So stay tuned for new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.